Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 1 to 7, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Yan, pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo magpa-book for a private reading. So let's see, Sag. What's up with you ngayong week na ito? Overall energy, Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings, new opportunities coming in, especially sa career, sa business ninyo, maaring merong bagong pwedeng pagkakitaan. Your challenge is the Eight of Cups. Oh, okay. So, maari kang merong kailangang iwanan na sitwasyon, can be sa career mo, relationship. Kung may naririnig kayong ibon, dito kasi sa kabilang sa side, may bintana dito sa harap ko, tapos may mga puno dyan. So, minsan, nakikisabay sila habang nagre-read ako. Maingay sila. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Your opportunity is the Fool. Uy, Sag, meron talagang bagong experience. Oo. Meron kang, magte-take kang ng risk. This can be sa career, sa relationship. But for most of you, sa career to or related sa finances nyo, your blessing is the Three of Swords. Uy, paano to naging blessing? I think this is a blessing in disguise, no? Na sa una, meron kang kailangang iwanan, i-let go, para mapurso mo yung gusto mo, no? And then, yun nga lang, pwedeng naging malapit ka na doon, no? Let's say sa trabaho na yun, career or business. But it's time to grow, no? Kailangan kasi na meron din tayong mga bagong susubukan kasi we'll never know naman kung doon tayo mas mapapabuti, doon merong mas magandang opportunity. So we will clarify that. What is the Ace of Pentacles? Oops. Sige, dito siya. Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Wow, okay. So in some of you, if you are starting a new business, a new career, a new business endeavor, investments, ito ay magbibigay sa inyo ng financial stability. Okay? Financial stability na pwede nyong maipamana sa parang tinatawag na generational wealth yan. So what is the Eight of Cups? The Three of Pentacles. Oh, okay. So yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong iiwanan or aalisan na grupo, no? Or grupo or company or partnership, no? Business partnership na sa tingin mo gusto mo nang umalis doon dahil hindi ka na nag-grow or kailangan mo na ng mas malaking venue for your projects, for your business. Oo, yung iba pwedeng yung pwesto nyo sa business nyo, aalis na kayo doon, lilipat kayo sa bago na mas malaki. What is the Fool? Wow, Six of Wands. Alam niyo, meron kayong opportunity na maging maunlad, maging matagumpay, no? Because the Six of Wands is about success, triumph, ito yung resulta ng mga pinagpaguran mo, ng mga in-effortan mo. And people will admire you, kumbaga, titingalain ka nila, no? Sa mga achievements mo sa buhay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are a performer, or yung tipong nakikita ka sa stage ng mga tao, or can be a social media influencer, pwedeng yan yung sinubukan mo na gawin, and ngayon nakikita mo na yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Okay? So you are in the public eye. Yan. So you are taking your chances to work in the public eye, and you are becoming more successful in this area, no? So your blessing is the Three of Swords. This is clarified by the Six of Swords. Okay. As a blessing, this is moving on, moving forward, galing sa isang painful situation. So, syempre, may tinatawag tayong grieving phase, no? Na may mga disappointments, mga challenging situation tayo na pagdaanan na kailangan natin munang maramdaman, maranasan, but eventually, hindi naman tayo magsastay dyan ng matagal, no? Meron ding pagbabago. You will move on. You will go to a better direction. So that's what I'm seeing for you as a blessing. Na finally, nakalaya ka na doon sa pain na yon and you are healing, you are moving forward. Okay? So, tinan natin yung iyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Sagittarius, July 1 to 7. Law and order. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kailangang i-process na documentations para sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, or may mga legal matters na kailangan kang i-work out. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Oy, this really makes sense dito sa opportunity mo, taking some risk, no? You are taking a risk. And I think, ito yung mga bagay na akala mo hindi mo kayang gawin, pero kayang-kaya mo pala siyang gawin. Kayang-kaya mo mapagtagumpayan. A gift is coming to your way. Oh, coming to your way. May parating na regalo sa'yo. This can be in a form of cash or kind. So, reminder din to sa'yo na gamitin mo yung mga gifts sa'yo, natural gifts mo, and talents and skills mo para mas mapaunlad mo ang iyong sarili. Okay. Let's see, what else? Money, career, finances for Sagittarius. The Strength card. Okay, so this is about your courage. Lakas ng loob. Oo, so pagdating sa work, sa career mo, malakas yung loob mo na i-pursue yan. And also, medyo magiging busy kayo, no? Na nangangailangan kayo ng physical strength ngayon, no? In all aspects actually, na maganda na pag-ingatan nyo ang inyong kalusugan. Because health is wealth. You have the Five of Swords, very competitive yung career path nyo, yung business ninyo. Pero you have the strength that you need, no? Competitive man siya, pero kayang-kaya mo siyang harapin, kayang-kaya mong i-handle. Let's see your love life for July 1 to 7. Oh, may nagsusorry. May hihingi ng tawad. Person from the past. Pwede kasing itong person na to ay siya yung parang main reason kung ba't kayo naghiwalay. Pwedeng nagkaroon ng addiction, or this person is, hindi siya naging responsable sa inyong relationship. And pwedeng itong person na to ay magre-reach out sa'yo. You may be dealing with a fire sign, no? Pareho mong fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, look at that, Five of Cups. This is also the card of regrets. Nagsisisi siya. Pwedeng gustong ayusin, balikan. Gusto niyang bumalik sa buhay mo. But of course, nasa sayo na yan kung bibigyan mo tong person na to ng chance. Kung pababalikin mo ba siya. Kasi 'di ba, yung iba pag pass na talaga eh. Kaya nga pass kasi pass na. Ayaw mo na. But nasa sa inyo pa rin naman 'yan. Mararamdaman niyo naman kung totoo yung pagbabago niya. Pero kung paulit-ulit na lang, 'di ba? So, kailangan na nating magising sa katotohanan. Ayan, merong period of frustration, lessons to be learned. So, yun na nga, medyo maging maingat sa mga decision making nyo kasi marami kang lessons na kailangan matutunan ngayon. And ito na yung time na kailangan mong may baguhin for the better. Ayan, yung iba sa inyo magpo-focus sa inyong career. Merong mga dealings or relationship with an older woman. So, just take what resonates kung sino yung older woman na yan. Oh, family sorrow. Okay. So, maaring magkaroon ng challenge or kalungkutan related sa older woman sa family or sa buhay mo. Okay? So, let's see. Final message for you. Surprise! Oh, meron talagang gift. May surprise gift. Release your expectations and be open to surprise. So, I feel like merong surprise na parating sa'yo ngayong week na to. As long as hindi ka, mag-expect. Minsan kasi lagi tayo nag-expect na ganito, ganyan. Siyempre, pag lagi tayo may expectations, prone yan sa disappointments. So, there's a surprise. Reassess. You are going to reassess your situation. Meron kang pag-iisipan, pwedeng decision making. You have the right to change your mind. Yes, may karapatan ka raw na magbago ang isip mo. So, this can be applicable sa relationship mo, na magbago ka ng decision mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye!